Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football, we're back, we're analyzing the football games. This is your presenter of the day, Lodge. I'm here with
Ronaldo.
Skip and Bram.
I'm
not. Bram, we're back to Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Golden Arrows 0, Bram. We won kanjani ke?
Boy, game icala ne. Abengicabanga ukuthi i-Arrows izoyibamba iPirates.
Sure.
Ngeqembu lami because looking back igame ababidlala eMabhida, I thought like maybe i-Arrows ifundile amaphutha nayo because i-Pirates la game winning ngamaphutha e-Arrows.
Sure.
So I thought maybe they're gonna come back with their stamina. Unfortunately, i-Pirates feel pressure ukuthi sekhaya. So ama supporters wabo ayithanda ukwa disappoint, so they came gun blazing stuff.
So Bram mawubhekile wena i-Golden Arrows ilahle kuphi?
First of all, i-Golden Arrows angazibonile ukuthi bidlala i-4-3-3. So into yokuqala ngokubona kwami okuyilahlile ngingokapteni uMduduzi Sibiya. uSulu Dog akasona striker naturally, ujwayele ukuqhamuka behind strikers, uyena okwazi ukukhipha ama passes and stuff. So mase ufaka uSulu kwi-striker who's going to give him like lawo ma passes lawo, and ubona uBoy felt like i-striker i-Arrows like ubekhere in his back alone, because uBoy bombona ngene abuya ngene ngo10 aphinda ngene lapha ka11. Yeah, I think i-Arrows game ilahle kanjalo because ngashiya amanye ama strikers ngaphandle. Uma uyibuza izifeni i-Arrows mawulazi ibhola uyilandele i-Arrows, uzoyibuza ngabo Noxmutizi ukuthi bakephi, ngabo Ryan Moon ukuthi bakephi, because le game le be critical kakhulu ukuthi baqhamuke nje
and available relegation.
So ungafika kanjani uzostrike umuntu okwazi ukukhipha ama killer passes, umuntu lo assistayo uyamlunduzana. Khona nethi striker futhi bebesibe ngaphandle asikho ngisho kuma substitute. Khona sinabasibiza iqoka u46 bathi uS Msomo. Emnandi kakhulu la ngwena butami. Ile game le kade bedlala ne-Pirates eMabhida, uyena uBoy kade striker lapha and ubebonakala umsebenzi wakhe because undu uyena bekwazi umshayela ama assist. So manje uBoy mengekho and uSulu kuyena ustrikayo, I think igame ilahleke lapha mina.
So Bram mawubhekile iPirates yona ibambe kanjani igame plan ukuthi yeah, this is the best way ukuthi Arrows singayipunisha?
I feel like iPirates ukufika kwayo kwigame bebengena pressure. Vele into igame abe bizoyidlala, there was no way ukuthi they were going to lose the game because igame yonke le bebididicele ku coach wabo uRivero. So even schemes akhona ungeke ukuthi besiqine kangako, no, besingaqinanga bekwi scheme nje esi average ukuthi all over bayimisela badlale kakhulu. Yeah, credit to iPirates boy.
So Bram na igame nyambona uKabelo Dlamini. Bram yabona ama player bomfukeng, yabona mabasa bayakora. Now ama player Bram ungathini ku
boy lento besikhuluma like off cam ka sibuka igame ukuthi akabelo uyaphasa.
Sure,
akabelo uyaphasa. I don't know why coach bengajwelanga ukumcalisa igame bekumfaka ama second halves aba uBoy uyaphasa, and futhi iabsence yatitwa ibonakala ngegamini. Not ukuthi uBoy ngimkhuluma kambe, but uKabelo le position uyayi deserve and uyayidlala nje
ubisa. And imez before uqhubeka ne uKabelo Dlamini most kulama game akhona ama game eswina ngama high score, and kulawo ma game most utitwa akekho Bram. So kufana namhlanje la kusikhombile uKabelo Dlamini ukuthi man, there's something special kuye Bram. So wena mawubhekile yini leyo nto abantu abaningi abayiboni uKabelo Dlamini?
I feel like abantu abaningi bayibona ne ucoach ungayiboni phela singabantu ngesibe nehle elifanane la coach.
Sure,
uKabelo Boy uyaphasa. Mawufuna ukwina igame afaka uKabelo Boy uzokukhiphela umdlalo kuma pocket nama free kick boy. Utito mawumfaka I think nomntito simfake mase siwina sesirelaxile singenayo pressure because even though say attacker Tito vela mane bhola jika buyile emuva ligame. Leyo nto leyo iplay yenza kanjalo angisho ukuthi iyabheda, but le nto le iba nezikhati zayo. So boys ngamfaka mase kuphethe isikhathi masiwina futhi yabo ukuthi agibele ibhola ke entertain ama fans because ibhola is not only about the team, it's also about entertaining ama fans. Lento yenza I'm not saying ukuthi it's a bad thing, but inesikhathi sakhona ubuye na show timing. But uKabelo ayashaya phasi I free kick ibutama quality player.
Mabasa Bram Bram le striker lesidala sesikhalela ukuthi wayicoach angaphela umuntu ichance, lo muntu lophethe amagoli kuye.
But wami angithanda ukukhumbuza kodwa ngizokukhumbuza. Remember na last time we interview ngathi boy ucoach akaqale nguMabasa, mahopa sombona after game.
Sure.
Mabasa ufika shayela igoli. Mabasa boy uyalazi ibhala.
Sure.
ngazi ngithanda ngani futhi it's because akavela ko the same time he keeps on trying gcina lingenile igoli namhlanje iPirates iboost energy ngokora kwakhe umjita because I believe ukuthi if la goal lokuqala ngenanga iArrows ibisazoza because uqala iArrows iqala ihope iPirates and then iPirates yakora base baba comfortable then ke igame yase yavuna iPirates
Mfokeng
boy I feel like boy la mjita akumelanga sisikhulume star player quality player boy boy man angifuni ukukhuluma boy only good things about umjita
so Bram Nkotha man Nkotha I feel like there's something eshodayo kuye yakwazi ama 1v1 mara final passing yakhe Bram ungathini ngoNkotha man
boy uyakwazi ukuteka on ama defender ngishaya nje ama final decision making boy I feel like boy lento kumele bayilungise training ukuthi mawuza you're not only going to go with direction A1 sometimes you don't have like ukuthi lokhu udlulile sometimes uyakwazi ukubamba ibhola ushaye 1-2 bakhiphile space ufinish no ukuthi wena kumele uthathe responsibility ukuthatha on ama defender no you can do like ama trial passes one pass I keep ngala ufinish
so Bram like kufana nalento le yamagoli most simbona makakora mara why ama assist wakhe like like ile nto futhi ngikhala ngayo uNkotha like uku-assist ama teammate wakhe
angithi phela lento yama-assist ile besikhuluma ngayo manje ukuthi boy that is why engenawo ama-assist amaningi is because whenever he takes on defenders akabe sapha like uyashoota like njalo uyashoot if maybe like uthatha on ama-defender and then akhiphela ama-passes because I feel like unale jealous le istrike kumele ibe naso vele
like angabi predictable
Maru boy I think leo term le kazi coach bemtshela ukuthi each and every striker must have jealous so I think he needs to like literally ukuthi hayi yena wadlula uyashoot boy but sometimes kumele abuye adlale nama players because ukora kwakhe nokora kweni team member yakhe iwin ye team le yabo I think uboy kumele alungise lapho
so Bram mawubhekile Selepe ntwana encane lapha esiswini calm cool ayijahi game akaluza amaphasi uyahold ayiwadlala ubonani yini into special uyibonayo kuntwana
I think uboy is well disciplined he doesn't feel pressure uzoba njengalomjita lo Mfokeng because now uboy inkathi eqala uMfokeng ungena kwi first team so ngesasibabaza kanje lentwana uyasithemba confidence he's well disciplined akaluza ama position I think uboy special but I feel like kwi-season elandelayo coaches must give him like more game time khona sombona nje because na Mfokeng oqala babemfaka like qwaqwa and then bamnika more game time kwase kubabona nabo ukuthi ayike ni player kwi-Pirates engathatha iposition ya Mfokeng dlala wonke ama game I think Selepe like is special
Mbokazi
ikhanga phambili ikhinga move fana umfowabo Mbokazi boy talented discipline una vision game khona lento lebi sikhuluma off cam and I'm going to give you credit kuwena boy I'm not going to take your credit so boy lento adukhuluma ukuthi like kwi-season elandelayo mase kubuya bonda kanje uboy angimelanga yena ahlale as a defender manje kumele angene mhlambe maybe ashaye
mabamzane amakahluleka sibone ukuthi uhlulekile
because uboy is strong yakwazi ukuprotect ibhola ayishani pass imagine mase lapha isenda noKabelo une shot futhi ngashota nanoma ikuphi like I think uboy we quality player
so imagine if uphethe uye ku CDM then kuno Selepe umuntu okhona control game uphethe noDlamini umuntu ogood ngamaphasi yena untwana uprotect defense uya always like uyakhona ukuvela alanda amabhola athene futhi lento lo ngichazela yona
and futhi kade sagcina ubona idefender ehlaba icela pass and collect because ama defender maningi they pass ayayiphasa and then aqashe they expect you ukuthi uphendwe nebhola yele kanti uboy yokuphasela akuningi nama options boy I think he's a great defender ngalokho boy
so Bram the introduction of Madiba ku left back uyibona kanjani mara mina ngibona ngathi there's something wrong lapha
Madiba I'm not convinced not yet convinced but let me just give him a benefit of the doubt and say it's because maybe bamfake isikhalise sophela I think like clear more gamers they should like introduce him more they should give him like more game time then sibone lapho singamjudge from lapho so I feel like it's unfair for us to simjudge based on number minutes amancane awadlalile because I believe udlale 14 minutes
so any left back maybe ongabona ukuthi if akusebenzeki singayidinga next season any quality uyicabangayo
from ama team
yeah
I feel like iPirates ayimi kancane ngofuna ukuthi ngabadlali I feel like they have quality players manje if bebona ukuthi mhlawumbe khona ama players ashoda ama-position kumele ba-adjuste kulama players abanawo already
Sure.
because not ukuthi umuntu makuthiwa udlala i-right back sekumele afe i-right back na boy.
So introduction of Dyson first match namhlanje debut yakhe Ntwana udlala Grand Confidence inkinga Jose Rivero yavayo umuntu umintroduce
yabona nangendlela engismile ngawo boy I'm impressed.
sure
Awu boy awumnandi same structure as Mofokeng boy
Sure.
na ingena calm and collective
Sure.
discipline here is the game passes I believe ukuthi boy because naye ngeke ngize ngisho manje
Sure.
neze mhlawumbe ukuthi
kancane
Yeah.
makaze kancane
but
samjahe
kumele bam-introduce naye ngomona ama-game aza sobona kanjani but I believe manje ukuthi iPirates ayinabana ama-players angempela
Sure.
njengabo Radio Pana bangene late I believe ukuthi iPirates inazo squad manje.
Bram Jose Rivero yavayo last game yakhe namhlanje Spanish guitar he has made great memories ne Pirates. Bram, what can you say to him?
Ama-fans Pirates ku-coach kumele ambonge because u-coach ngokufika kwabo uyikhiphile iPirates ohlazweni
Sure.
because remember ukuthi Sundowns bebutha yonke into i-Kaizer ilo iPirates skis abantu mabebuka bebebuka ngamehla afanayo
Sure.
nawe Kaizer because i-Sundowns kuphela dominated wonke amakhapha bekhona bewina i-Sundowns but wafika uJose iPirates yawina something yagain confident Pirates man sishawo number 2
Sure.
consistently just because of lo coach lo he's been a great coach.
Sure.
Like with decade I feel like yena coach osebenze ukudlula bonke kwi-Pirates.
Tanko our fans siyabonga and we would like to say all the best to Jose Rivero. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.